Reverend Chika, and I am into tourism development. But incidentally, I now had a patient who came, who wanted to travel, looking for a hospital where he can go for hip replacement. Then I started searching the net, communicating. I got all that addresses, but something just touched me when I saw Forerunners Healthcare, especially by the name. And then I started communicating. And others took time as I communicated with them, but he himself replied immediately. And then we started working. He will come here, I will send emails, he will ask questions, I will send him back. I haven't seen him before. But then he was calling, we now sent the x-rays, we now booked the ticket. He was calling to know itinerary. We landed at the airport, Mumbai airport, and we were picked up straight to the hospital. In fact, we arrived today, and the doctors came in the evening and said that the operation was going to take place the following day. We were surprised. We said, wow. I was surprised. The morning, around Forerunners Healthcare is doing a very good work. The most important thing is their promptness, the quickness, and the way they answer, they do. Before you come, they have arranged the hospital, and you just move straight to the theater. You will not take time more than a day. Because a lot of people that have been coming to India from Nigeria, what they have been complaining is that there's a delay tactics, that they will come, they will stay many days in the hospital, their money will be going down, and by the time they are ready for the operation, they will not have sufficient money to pay for their bills again. But in this case, it's not so. I have seen.
Thank you for watching this video. For any query, please visit our website www.ndnhealthguru.com. Phone numbers are, for international callers, call us at +91-93 711 36499 and +91-98 60 755 000. For UK callers, call us at +44-20-8133-2571, and for USA callers, call us at +1-415-599-2537.